Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make very easy tasty street food recipe. So today I will make veg momos. It is very easy to make and everyone will love this if you will make it. So please make this at your home and share your experience with me. And if you like today's video, please like, share and also subscribe to my channel. And you can see all the videos English and in Hindi also. So let's get started. So for making momos, firstly we will need the dough. So for this, here I have taken 1 cup of maida or plain flour. Now I am adding oil. So here I have added 2 tablespoon of oil. Now add half teaspoon of salt and now mix all the things really well. So I have mixed it. Now I'm going to knead it. So add a little bit of water and knead soft dough. We want a little bit of soft dough and add a little bit of water and knead it very nicely. So it has done. You can see it is a little bit of soft. Now cover it and leave it for 10 minutes. And now we will prepare stuffing. So for this, here I have taken a pan, then I have added 2 tablespoons of oil, then here I have added 2 or 3 finely chopped green chili. Firstly mix it and cook it for a minute. Now I am going to add cabbage. So here I have taken 1 medium size of cabbage, then I have grated well, you can see. Now I will add all the cabbage here and I will roast it for 2 minutes in high flame. We will not cook it, we will only cook it for 2 minutes. So mix it very nicely and stir it continuously. So it has done. I have roasted well. Now I'm going to add a little bit of green coriander. If you want, you can also add grated carrot, peas. It is your choice. If you want, you can add. So mix all the things really well. Now leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and when it will be cold, then I will use this. So leave it for 2 or 3 minutes. So 3 minutes are over and it is cold now. So now I'm going to add salt and add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it very nicely and make sure here is the gas is off. And here I have added the salt. Now mix all the things really well and mix it, then I will use this. So it has mixed now. Now I will transfer it into a plate. So it has done. I have transferred it into a plate and here is some plain flour and or maida and water and our dough is also ready. So firstly knead the dough again. You can see it is little bit of soft, so knead it and you can see it has done. Now I'm going to make a dough ball. So make a small dough ball. You can see how it is. So make a small dough ball like this and I will make all the balls like this. Now flatten it like this and now I will roll it. So for this, take a rolling pan and dust it with some flour and now roll it very nicely, and here we will roll it very thin. So I will roast it until it transparent. So you can see it has done. It is very thin and I will make all the chapati like this. A very small chapati I will roll. So it has done. You can see I have made 2 chapati. Now we will fill the stuffing. So take 1 chapati and fill 1 or 2 tablespoon of filling and then I will apply some water like this. You can see, apply water like this. So now I will cover it like this. You can see how I am doing. If you will see it very nicely, you can make it very easily. You can see how I am doing. Fold it like this. So see it very nicely. So it has done. Now press it like this, and I have made one, and you have seen that it is very easy. Now I will make another one. So it is also very easy. If you want to make very easy, so it is for you. So make it like a gujia and press it like this, and now I will fold it. So take both of the corner and press it like this. So it has done, and you have seen it is very easy process. I have made this in very easy way. So if you want to easier, you can make like this. Now I'm going to make another one and see how I am doing. So which one you like, you can make. So it is also done. Now I will make all the momos like this. So which design you like, you can make. So these are done. I have made all the momos. Now we will steam it. So for this, take a steamer and add 2 or 3 cup of water and boil it. So it is done, it is boiling, you can see. Now put the stand like this and apply some oil here. You can see how I am doing. Apply oil everywhere. So take a spoon and apply oil. So it is also done. Now I will add all the momos here. So add all the momos like this. You can see how I am doing. Keep a distance, and it is done. Now cover it and leave it for 10 minutes in high flame. So after 10 minutes it will be cooked. So 10 minutes are over. Now check it and you can see it is done. It has cooked really well. And now switch off the gas and I will show you. See, it has done. It has very nice color and it has cooked very nicely. Now I will transfer it into a plate, and so it is done. I have transferred it into a plate, and you can serve it with your favorite chutney or spicy tomato chutney. So make this at your home and share your experience with me. And if you like today's video, please like, share and also subscribe to my channel. So see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching today's video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.